Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're exploring an abandoned bakery slash bread factory. I believe the factory shut down in around 2020, but I'm not entirely sure. It's no less than 3 years probably. It's not massive, but there are some pretty interesting things inside which you will get to see in the video. But sorry if the camera quality at the start is a bit crappy. I had it on the wrong settings for a little bit, but I did fix it pretty quickly, and that's why I'm doing the voiceover over this. Nate. It's alright. There's like these little things on the ground. I don't know what they are, but yeah. Wonder if there's still power. Paper store. Oh, that's creepy. Keep going. Alright, that's just from the other room. Look in here. Oil or something. Not blood, but I think it's just the building's old. They're fun. Try and get up there, I guess. Try and get up there, I guess. Yeah. I don't want to keep it open. very careful with the light. Pretty cool stuff here. That's pretty cool. So we're outside. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Don't know what that is.
Oh, there's a house there.
Oh yeah, don't. Do you want to get back in case they saw us? Shit. And you gotta be careful with that. I knew there wasn't something back there. So yeah, as you saw, we accidentally shone a light into a house next door. Hopefully their blind was shut and hopefully they weren't sleeping and it woke them up. But yeah, we decided to go back inside just to be safe. It's alright. Oh boy. Oh no, let's hope their blinds were shut. You just gotta pray that their blinds were shut. It's pretty slippery, just be careful. What? It's alright. Check out that. That's pretty cool. Cool. Oh, it's actually really wet. What sort of room is that? I don't like that. Looks like a bloody torture room. Nothing behind that door. This is creepy. Why are there rooms that exist like this? What's this? Is that looking straight out? No. I think this is the paper room. Yeah. I think. Oh, you're looking straight out. Put it down. You're looking straight out there. Pardon? Yeah. I'll just find like rooms that we haven't seen. I'll go quickly over. I don't really want to slide it, but it looks cool. Still broken or dollies in the cage. Overproduced product. Alright, okay, this is where we came in. Oh, remnant. Cool. Look at that. Yeah. What's this? Oh, that's awesome. Oh, look at that. It's like an old TV. That is awesome.